Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to remove WhatsApp account permanently. Now, firstly, to remove your WhatsApp account permanently, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet and then open up WhatsApp on your device. Now, once you open up WhatsApp, you'll be on this page on your WhatsApp account. So firstly, on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. Once you see these three dots, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on that menu, click on the settings option. After you click on the settings option, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, click on the first option, which is the accounts button. After you click on the account button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll find the delete account option on the bottom of your screen. Once you click on the delete account button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to fill in some details. So you'll have to fill in your country, your phone number, and then click on this delete account option. Once you click on the delete account option, a code will be sent to your device, and if you confirm it, your WhatsApp account will be deleted permanently. I hope this video helped you to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.